Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. Hey, you know what? I think this is getting a little bit easier and easier every single time I do this, which is why I want to post more videos in the first place. But, you know, today we have this like a random, like I'm talking about straight up random character design. I actually I don't know if you guys know this, or even maybe you guys do this too, but like my imagination, like I have a very vivid imagination, and it's always making new ideas and stuff. So when I like picture a character in my head, I like to draw it out. So I first started off when I like with like a little thumbnail of just her face, and then I had like a little outfit design thumbnail, whatever. I'll put those up on the screen right now. But you know, I was just playing around doodling, right? And I actually started liking the actual design that I came up with. So on my Instagram, I was like, you know what? Let me ask the folks, you know, the peoples, y'all the peoples, you know, if I should like do a full-on colored illustration of this character. And everyone was like, yeah, dude, like go for it, you know, make it look dope, do your thing. So I was like, you know what, cool. So what I did, I got a piece of paper, sketched out a full body design, like a full body design of like head to feet, and then 3 head sketches, which is usually how I do my formats of characters. I usually do 3 head sketches, then a full body pose or whatever. I just find it's more useful to me. I don't know, it helps me, but it helps me out. But you know, as I was coming with this character, I was just like, you know, thinking like, yo, it would be so dope if she had like a chain on her neck, but the chain was actually her weapon. Maybe she can have a backstory of why she has the chain on her neck or whatever. And you know, just all this stuff, man. I'm always coming up with new characters, man, for my story that I'm working on. You know, it's in the making. It ain't gonna be published no time soon, guys. You know what I'm saying? So don't even ask when it's gonna be published. I don't know, but it is a story character. You know, it's gonna come out. I'll let y'all know a little bit more about it. But like I said, I'm working on a comic book, you know, slowly but surely, you know. So I'm just slowly piecing little like these characters together to add to the story. And I just thought she would be a dope character, you know. I was trying to do something a little bit more different, you know, for this character, because like, you know, the hair is blue, and I've actually never like rendered blue hair before. At least like, I mean, actually no, I have rendered blue hair, but like it was just like for like a mini sketch. Like it wasn't really like anything crazy, but I thought it would look dope if she had blue hair. I don't know, man. I like I said, like when I do these little sheets, I like this is like where I brainstorm, right? So I was brainstorming ideas for the color of the hair. I was actually gonna go red. My first idea was gonna be red, but then I was like, red is just so cliche, man. Like, oh, a villain with red hair. That's not anything new, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, you know what? Let me give her blue hair, see how that looks. And I was like, you know what? I dig it. I dig the blue hair, man. I don't know what you guys think, but I think the blue hair looks bad. I mean, not bad, but you know, like, you know, it looks pretty dope. So that's why I decided to go with the blue hair. The outfit design was actually inspired off a kimono. But like, of course, it's customized. Like I customize all my outfits pretty much. You know, I'm really into Japanese culture, you know, all types of stuff. So a kimono is like the base I worked off of, but of course, it's not like a straight up kimono, obviously, because it's obviously different. Because kimonos don't look like that. Like actual kimonos don't look like that. But you know, other than that, like I think the whole design came out kind of cool. So the weapon, I decided to go with like this huge mallet on her neck. Not huge, but like, you know, like a spike ball on her neck, but like it's chained to her. I just thought it would be cool, like something different. Like that's the whole point of character design and making villains, is like doing something different. So I just thought that would look pretty cool. I also went on my Instagram, because like Instagram, when I need ideas, y'all there for me. So like I was like, you know what, give me some cool ideas for her, some names or whatever. I'm still, the people are still giving me name suggestions. But if you follow me on Instagram, I will reveal the name later. But basically, one of my followers, she was actually giving me a name suggestion, and she came up with the name. Hold on, I wrote it down somewhere. I think it's like Kabuki. Is it Kabuki? Kimbukia. Kambuka.
Kabuki. Kabuki.
Kabuki.
Kabuki. Kabuki.
Okay, so it is. Hold on.
Kabuki.
But basically, she does her research, right? So I looked up what kabuki means, right? It means like kimono dance. It's not kimono, but she's basically her idea was like, since the mallet around her neck is chained to her, she said the only way she can really use that as a weapon is if she's like, you know, does lots of spins and twirls and basically dancing. So the name, I think it means dance. I could be wrong. Make sure you guys look it up for yourself. Don't hold me to that. But basically, she said the name, it means dance. So she looks like she could, like, she has to dance in order to fight and use it. And I was like, that's so cool. I never thought about that. You know, she, even like when you guys give me really good ideas, because I never thought like maybe her fighting style is like when she's fighting, she like has to spin around a lot, you know, do lots of twirls, because otherwise she's just gonna freaking yank her neck all over the place and that won't be fun. So maybe she does lots of spins when she's fighting, lots of twirls and stuff. And that is kind of like a dance. So I was like, that's actually a pretty smart idea. Like make her fighting style a dancing style. If you know what I'm saying, you know. I just thought that was pretty ingenious. So I was like, you know what, cool. And also for the color of her kimono outfit thing, I was gonna go black, but one, I hate rendering black, and two, I feel like it's just too much. Like I'm tired. I don't want to do so much default colors. Like when I don't have an idea for a character, I'm like, oh, black, or ooh, white, or just, you know, really basic colors. And I was like, you know what, I want to do something different. I want it to be dark, but I don't want it to be black. So I was like, you know, what can I do for that? And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go for this really dark, like violet purple. And it actually came out pretty dope. I was like, you know what, I like the purple. I dig the purple, so I'm gonna keep the purple. The purple came out really cool. So it's like, I think I used, I forget the name of the Copic marker, but it's like a violet royalty purple or whatever. So I used that for the base of the you know, of the boots and the kimono, and then I added in some black shading. Also made the sleeves, like the inside of the kimono, can be like a lighter purple, and the little frill on her chest area can be purple, but like a lighter purple. I just thought, you know, I was just having fun with this character. The whole point of, you know, character design is just having fun with it, you know, trying out new ideas and just making a pretty dope character, guys. So hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, you know, leave a like, leave a comment, follow me on Instagram, please. That's where I'm active, you know what I'm saying? That's where I'm active. I'm active on Instagram. I got other social medias, but I don't really use them that much. But Instagram is where I'm at most of the time. And yeah, guys, let's hit 500 subscribers hopefully by the end of this month. That would make my day. So yeah, guys, peace out, and I'll see you next time.
They say life will bring discomfort, and I discovered we all just suffer, cause no one feels that bad. And it comes from one another. We hurt each other just like a lover, and don't think twice about that. Yeah, and I feel like something's bad, but hell, I'm used to that. I always turn my back, yeah. And I wanna feel something, but all I feel is pain. I wanna make a change, but you either pick yourself up or you let yourself down. Life will always be tough, so who the fuck are you now? Will you make it alone, or do you need someone else? I don't need anyone, I'll do it all by myself. I've got scars, put up my guard. I don't wanna get torn apart. I start to feel my heart race faster, it's pumping hard. And all I want is to be something. That's why I just keep on running. Can't stop what you don't see coming. Yeah, and you know I'm coming. How can I trust you if you don't don't trust me. I do what I do, 'cause it is just me. And nothing is new, no I'm not lucky. I work my ass off, so I'll be some. You either pick yourself up, or you let yourself down. Life will always be tough, so who the fuck are you now? Will you make it alone?